In this video we will show you how you can combine the Euku FS oil with the Euku refresher. First, the floor is watered, so the oil can penetrate more deeply and the protection effect is increased. In addition, the wood grain is enhanced. The surface becomes more homogeneous and differences in the sanding pattern are homogenized. Then, Euku Oil 1FS is mixed with the crosslinker Eukula Master FS. The two-component application makes the oil even more durable and the impregnation is further enhanced. It is applied with the flexible spatula. Only mix as much material as you can use in 2 hours. The excessive oil can be polished out with the beige pad. Now we work with the refresher. The refresher is a thin care oil based on oil and wax and contains carnauba and beeswaxes. It protects the floor, further intensifies the grain, and can be worked with quite easily due to its thin consistency. In this case, it is applied directly after the installation. But it is also used in Aftercare as it refreshes leached wooden floors. The refresher is also polished out with the beige pad. In the before and after comparison, you see how a warm brown tone has emerged and that the grain is shown to beautiful effect.